Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom. To begin your demon-slaying adventure, you will use the arrow keys to move and strafe through the intricate levels. The control key is your primary attack button, unleashing a barrage of bullets or plasma. Remember to press the spacebar to interact with doors and switches, which are crucial for progression. Your main objective in each level is to locate the exit, often marked by a glowing teleporter, while surviving relentless demonic attacks. Doom offers a powerful arsenal to combat the demonic hordes. You will find a variety of weapons, from the reliable shotgun to the devastating rocket launcher, each with unique strengths. Effective ammo management is key. Always be mindful of your reserves. Certain enemies, like the formidable cyber demon, are particularly vulnerable to specific weapons, such as the BFG 9000. Remember to grab health packs and armor shards to keep your marine in fighting shape against the relentless onslaught. Beyond the intense combat, Doom rewards thorough exploration. Many levels contain cleverly hidden secret areas, often indicated by subtle visual cues like slightly discolored walls or unusual textures. These hidden zones frequently yield valuable power-ups, such as invulnerability or berserk packs, along with extra ammunition and health. Additionally, you will need to find colored keycards, red, yellow, and blue, to unlock corresponding doors and advance through the complex layouts. To truly master Doom, consider incorporating advanced tactics into your gameplay. Strafe running, achieved by holding a strafe key while moving forward, significantly increases your speed, allowing for quicker navigation and evasion. Circle strafing involves moving around an enemy while continuously firing, making you a harder target. Experiment with the 5 difficulty settings, from hey, not too rough to ultra-violence, to find your ideal challenge. Always prioritize high-threat enemies for efficient demon clearing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.